Tonight we're making an easy roasted tomato marinara sauce, starring Roma tomatoes with a little onion, garlic, and California extra virgin olive oil. Let's start by preheating the oven to 375. Then we'll core and quarter our tomatoes, spreading them on a baking sheet. Next, we'll add half of an onion, roughly chopped, a few cloves of garlic, and dried Italian seasoning mixed with dried oregano. Then we'll drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil over the pan and season with salt and pepper. A quick toss to coat, then we'll roast these for 45 minutes. Once the roasted tomatoes have cooled, we'll blend everything in a food processor and pulse until it's combined. Leave it all in a little longer if you like your sauce on the smoother side. We'll pour the blended mixture into a skillet or saucepan and transfer it to the stove. Let's stir in a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar and a tablespoon of sugar and simmer the sauce for 20 minutes to let it thicken. Use this sauce with your favorite pasta, garnished with fresh basil and a little or a lot of parm if you like.